Hi, my name is Ilja. I'm FastEdge team lead at Gcore, and I will show you how to create FastEdge application. Behind me is a lava lamp, which is plugged into the smart socket, which I can control from my mobile phone or using Samsung SmartThings, but I want to be able to control it from my watch. And unfortunately, there is no application on my watch to do that. So I will create an Edge application that I can call from my watch. Uh, this is the application I wrote. It does two API calls. The first one is to get the device status, and the second one is to invert the status, to send the command. And it takes several environment variables like token, device ID, and password, just simple local authentication. So let's test it. Just run it locally here in VS Code using VS Code extension. Okay, so it works. Means I can deploy it. This is Gcore customer portal, the FastEdge section. I create new application by uploading the binary. This is the compiled WebAssembly application. I give it some name, description. mm, Lamp, and I need to add some parameters, environment variables. So I need to add uh, device ID. I need to add token to access API. And some password. Just make it QWERTY. So I save and deploy it. It's deployed because I knew the name of the application. I already pre-configured my watch to call this application. Let's try it. Now, yep, and switch it back. Yep, it does work. So this is how you can create FastEdge application to do simple things like controlling your smart socket. Thank you.